In the fast-paced world of project management, efficiency is king. Every second counts, and the speed at which teams can communicate and execute tasks directly impacts a project's success. When comparing collaboration tools, speed can mean a few different things: the speed of communication, the speed of task execution, and the overall performance and responsiveness of the software itself. This brings us to a common question for teams evaluating their tech stack. Does ClickUp work faster than Slack? As a project management expert, I can tell you that a direct, faster, or slower comparison between ClickUp and Slack isn't entirely straightforward because they are fundamentally designed for different primary purposes. Slack is built for real-time communication, while ClickUp is a comprehensive project management platform with integrated communication features. Understanding this distinction is key to assessing their respective speeds. Slack's speed, real-time communication excellence. Slack's core strength lies in its ability to facilitate instant, real-time communication. It was engineered from the ground up to be a rapid messaging platform. Where Slack excels in speed. Instant messaging. Sending and receiving messages in Slack is almost instantaneous. The platform is optimized for quick back-and-forth conversations, rapid sharing of short updates, and immediate responses. Quick channels and DMs. Creating new channels for specific discussions or initiating direct messages with individuals or small groups is very fast. This allows for agile, on-the-fly conversations. Notifications. Slack's notification system is highly responsive, ensuring that users are alerted to new messages and mentions almost immediately, fostering a sense of urgency and quick reaction. Simple integrations for communication-focused tasks. While ClickUp has extensive integrations, Slack's integrations often focus on bringing notifications and quick actions from other apps directly into the chat interface, enabling faster communication about work rather than directly doing the work within Slack. The speed benefit of Slack. For teams that prioritize rapid-fire discussions, informal brainstorming, and immediate answers to urgent questions, Slack's design for real-time chat means it often feels faster in that specific context. It's like tapping someone on the shoulder for a quick chat. ClickUp's speed, project-centric efficiency. ClickUp, on the other hand, is designed to be an all-in-one workspace where work happens. Its speed is measured not just in message delivery, but in the efficiency of managing tasks, projects, and entire workflows. Where ClickUp excels in speed in its domain. Speed of actionable communication. While Slack excels at chat, ClickUp excels at turning conversations into action. You can turn a message into a task, assign it, set a due date, and track its progress all within the same platform. This eliminates the context-switching delay that occurs when a conversation in Slack needs to be manually transferred to a separate task management tool. This direct link between discussion and execution makes the overall workflow faster. Centralized information and reduced context switching. Because ClickUp aims to be the single source of truth for all project-related information, tasks, docs, whiteboards, goals, chat, users spend less time jumping between different applications. This reduction in context switching, searching for information across various tools, and ensuring data consistency ultimately speeds up project delivery. Workflow automation. ClickUp's powerful automation capabilities, e.g., automatically changing a task status when a subtask is completed, assigning tasks based on specific triggers, can significantly speed up repetitive processes. These automations remove manual steps, reducing both effort and potential for human error. Templating and reusability. The ability to create and reuse templates for tasks, projects, and entire workflows speeds up project initiation and ensures consistency. You don't have to rebuild structures from scratch every time. AI features. ClickUp Brain/AI. Newer AI features in ClickUp can quickly summarize long chat threads, generate task descriptions, or answer questions based on your workspace's knowledge base. This speeds up information retrieval and understanding, especially for catching up on discussions. Project transparency and bottleneck identification. With various views, list, board, Gantt calendar, ClickUp allows project managers and teams to quickly visualize progress, identify bottlenecks, and reallocate resources, thus speeding up problem solving and overall project flow. Potential perceptions of slowness in ClickUp. Some users, especially those coming from purely chat-based tools, might initially perceive ClickUp as slower or more complex. This is often due to feature richness. ClickUp's extensive features mean there's a learning curve. Initially, navigating its many options can feel overwhelming, which might slow down user adoption. Loading times. Historical/specific cases like any comprehensive web application, ClickUp's performance can sometimes be affected by factors like the size of your workspace, the number of tasks, your internet connection, and server load. While ClickUp continuously works on performance optimization, some users have reported occasional lags, particularly in very large or heavily loaded workspaces. However, this is usually about app responsiveness, not the speed of communication itself. The verdict: different tools, different speeds, better together. The question isn't really, is ClickUp faster than Slack, but rather, what kind of speed do you need? If your primary need is lightning fast, informal, real-time messaging, Slack often feels faster due to its singular focus and optimized interface for chat. If your primary need is efficient task management, streamlined project workflows, and reducing context switching, ClickUp, by integrating chat directly with tasks and projects, ultimately enables faster project completion and operational efficiency. Many project management experts advocate for a hybrid approach, integrating the strengths of both. You might use Slack for urgent, informal team discussions and quick check-ins. Then integrate it with ClickUp so that important decisions or action items from Slack conversations can be automatically or manually converted into trackable tasks within ClickUp. This way, the speed of Slack's communication feeds directly into the structured efficiency of ClickUp's project management. Ultimately, choosing between them or deciding to use them together depends on your team's specific needs, communication style, and the complexity of your projects. For managing projects from initiation to completion, ClickUp's inherent design for task-centric speed will often lead to quicker project delivery, even if a single chat message might fly faster in Slack.